Go to education.ti.com, go to Downloads, and All Software, OS, and Apps. Click on that. On the next page for Technology, select the TI-84 Plus CE. For View, select Connectivity Software. Click Find. On the next page, go to the bottom where it says TI Connect CE Software. Click on that. And on the page that comes up, scroll down a little bit. And we're going to the top item, TI Connect CE Software for Macintosh. Click on that. This will download the disk image file. Save it to the folder you want. This takes a few minutes to download. It's been sped up here. Now we open up the folder where we saved the DMG file. Click on that. And move the app over to the Applications folder. Open up the Applications folder. Click on the app. And there you go.